Welcome, my name is Caroline Mogore. Bungoma town traders are counting losses after hired Bulldozer demolished structures purported to be the road reserves to pave way for road expansion. Angry traders were seen trying to salvage their belongings before the bulldozer, in the company of the county and police officers, brought down the Jamia Mosque business structures. What are the citizens' reaction on the ongoing demolitions? Let's join our reporter Elizabeth Kisiangani.
In a bold move aimed at revitalizing the infrastructure of the county, the national government has embarked on a multi-agency approach to enhance the county's face in preparation for the upcoming Madaraka Day celebration. The county government demolished buildings next to Jamia Mosque in Bungoma town for allegedly being built on road reserves. Traders claims that they were given a one-day notice by the county government to vacate their businesses' premises. The demolitions have come few weeks after properties at Kandui were demolished to pave way for the expansion of the Masinde Muliro Stadium with the aim of creating a more efficient and functional environment. This decision has been met with mixed reactions from the residents of Bungoma who now face hard time at their business places.
Utuambia wafanyabiashara wanaenda wapi? Utuambie choo zinajengwa namna gani?
Tuko na containers hapa wameichengea kwa miaka 5. Na kwa hiyo container contractors walikuja wakaandika tuko tunamchengea kwa wiki 12. Wakaweka hata kwa note spot hika hapo inasema wiki 12. Hii 12 iko nimefikisha miaka 5. Siku yenye walikuwa wanasema kama na anakuja, sijui wizara gani nyingine yenye ilikuwa opposite hiyo inakuja inaweka alama ya X hapo.
Ati LCM huko mnaweka X all over. Weka X and you mean it. Kama ni kubomoa, bomoa regardless of whoever build the building. Tumeenda Kandui, we have seen how poor people have suffered. They have demolished permanent buildings.
Hakuna uongozi hapa inaendelea katika hii kaunti yetu ya Bungoma. Ni kuhamisha watu na watu waende wajipange. Hiyo tunakataa.
Reporting for Tandao News Outlook, I'm Elizabeth Kisiangani.